Hello, hello. It's Jessica Licona and the Licona Team coming to you live. And today I wanted to visit with you about the importance of having your roof checked annually. So every year I highly recommend contracting with your roofer, and I'm happy to give you respectable, reputable names. I want to let you know that it is the most important, crucial thing that people tend to forget. But with Texas, we get such extreme hot and extreme cold weather that caulking and sealing needs to take place throughout the years. So don't be like me and have a property and all of a sudden realize some water's leaking out from around the fireplace flue from from the roof. So if you are ever wanting to get an annual check of your roof, I highly recommend reach out to us if you'd like reputable names like I mentioned before, and get them to check annually and make sure that you don't need anything to be caulked and sealed or repaired. It is so important, especially when we get those beautiful hailstorms. So just a word to the wise, let us know if we can be of help. Be well, take care.